Okay, so welcome back, my dear friends. Class 10, let's do mathematics chapter 3, exercise 3.5, question number B. Number 4, sub question 4. So this comes as a special request from one of the students. So we are very happy to acknowledge that. So this video is specially meant for those students who have requested for this particular question. Let's straight away go to the question. This is from chapter 3, linear equations in two variables. Places A and B are 100 kilometer apart. So jaga duita do ekta A aru ekta B. Tai dujun laga distance, tai dujun majo de distance to 100 kilometer. One car starts from A, another from B. So A barbek ta start koribo, B barbek ta start korishi na gari do. If the car travels in the same direction, okay, so itu garne moi diagram ta aru olop change kori dibo. I'll just change the diagram a bit. I hope all of you are staying at home, staying safe, but let's not forget your studies also. So it's all right, you can play games during the daytime and all, but see to it that you maintain a strict study schedule, study routine every day. Okay, so even though you play the games and all. So A and B start from, now the first case is like if they travel in the same direction, that means in the same direction. So that is going to be iki direction they start korise to moving A to B to B move korise. Then they meet in 5 hours. Okay, that is going to 5 hours till log power ko tholi na. So let's like solution. Let the speed of car from A be x kilometer per hour and speed of car from B be y kilometer per hour. Let us assume x is greater than y. Karne ta jun iki speed di jabo ni digina nai question de to ekta to dangor ekta chuto hobo, to we can assume koribo that the speed of A, that is x kilometer per hour, is faster than the speed of car from B. Na? So now first question, as per the first case. Okay, let us not forget about time. Time is given by what? Because here the question is reminded to us in terms of time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So this is going to be net speed. Okay, so in the first case, what happens? If they travel in the same direction, the cars meet in 5 hours. So A barbek kheta na jabo na, A barbek kheta na jabo, holbi B to be rukin thayo tai bi jai ase. That means like A holbi speed of A to amount ba assume kara do tai bishi ase na, B bi bishi kuro paribo de, that's up to you na. So that means kheta na jai na do last do A bra B to kheta paribo, maybe definitely at one particular point. So this is also based on net speed or relative speed also. Suppose like aman gari de biradam de gari aman agi dekta gari jadem jayase kuch ule amani to la pichi kilo in the same direction de jadem to amani to gari to be bahar la gari manwala gari to be slow bra janish na dekhe na, karne same direction de move kora dem because to the jun kitia iki point B to be ai jai se A to be kheta ke nai na, to kitia iki direction de ekta point ti aha dem do to camera be experience korise na korane for once among it's like stationary, no, because like you can see what is inside the other car also, you can see the persons also, like we can even talk and we can even exchange movie kan de hanisina na, we can even exchange things also. Why? Because at that point when both of your speeds are like, I mean both of you are almost at one point, what happens is we call it relative speed. Okay, we call it relative speed. So at that point what happens is your speed gets subtracted na, ekjon laga speed to subtract hoi jabo, that is the bigger minus. So at that point the speed, the net speed, the relative speed of both of you will be x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay, x minus y means downward ra chutu to kuntu last speed downward what I that means like tai 50 kilometers per hour de jai ase to 60 kilometers per hour de jai ase to itu right like Tujun Kidia at this point I was 60 minus 50. So at this point Tujun Langa speed to for both of you the speed at that point na Kidia lock by Tiger Nemi both of you are moving at 10 kilometer. For you also you're moving at 10 kilometers per hour. It right like that particular moment there aman like we can even exchange and talk also between the cars. Do movie ganti so that's why this is called like we call it the relative speed. So I hope you have understood. So at that point when both the cars meet at the same like point, what happens is at that point it will be x minus y per hour. So this point will come after kiman diri pichida question after 5 hours. So here if this is your meeting point, that means do a bra b do ye 5 hours pichitok take hetabo paribo. That means as per the first case, total distance divided by speed, that is your relative speed, that will be x minus y will be 5 hours. Okay, so distance to 100, isn't it? So that will be 100 equal to 5 into x minus y. So we can just solve this. 100 by 5 equal to x minus y, 520. So 20 equal to x minus y. Or I'll just exchange. Now the exchange current to sign change no x minus y equal to 20. We'll mark this as equation 1. Now as per the second case. Now second case to ki digina ase. Second case I'll just draw here. Second case though a b, that is the same 100. So the distance by the speed is equal to what? Say they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. Definitely it is in 1 hour, because like they travel towards each other. Okay, they travel towards each other. So a b into direction, b into direction. So definitely wherever no power, time taken will be less to na, because b ekjon direction dia ase. To first case ti nisina to ele a by b ki khitai na b to itu direction ni jabo, a by khitai na jabo to b speed ti move kore ase aste aste ne karne a to bishi hoise gole itu aro a komti speed hoise gole a by khitai na paribo b to kheta gole na itu by magan a to assume kore greater, otherwise we'll go in the other direction, in this direction na. To khitai nai ekta jaga di lock pawo itu by time lagibo. That's why it says 5 hours na. Only at the same direction di lock pawo ase, that means definitely they will meet at 1 hour. So again same example, suppose tv gari di move kore ase aro dusra manu to bi gari di move kore ase, only this time to situation develop change kori dibo na, magana like opposite direction di move kore ase, like to north ti jai ase tai south pali ai ase na. To itu time de experience Krishna Kurana, do speed like suppose like 50 kilometer, 60 kilometer. To do like cross Krishna Kurana. To it cross Kurala point de aman ekjon give ni chini one pare. Karidi ki as a two brother sabo paralibi take to ahala point to alaman eco crew in the parino, opposite direction down the phone. Grenade Jajabo Karido. I hope you have experienced that. No? Why? Because at that point when both of you meet, to be 50 bra, tai be 60 bra. I said that point what happens is the speed becomes combined, net speed becomes combined speed of both of you at that point only. Okay, holibe par habjida manaro turn back usually manuani sabo pare na manna holibe kidia lok pai tati to sabo na pare na. That's why at that point it becomes x plus y. So 100 equal to x plus y, or interchanging the sides, x plus y equal to 100. So we have our two equations. So now x minus y equal to 20. Equation 1, x plus y equal to 100. That will be equation number 2. So I will not solve this. I think you can do the solution. Of course, if you want, I can do the solution. Not let's just do quickly, adding 1 and 2. So x minus y plus x plus y equal to 20 plus 100 minus 2x 120, 2x by 2 equal to 120 by 2, x equal to 60. So let's quickly putting x equal to 60 in any one equation. In equation 1, x minus y equal to 20, 60 minus y equal to 20. So minus y equal to 20 minus 60. So minus y equal to minus 40 minus y equal to 40. So speed of car from A is 60 kilometer per hour and speed of car from B is 40 kilometers per hour. So I hope you have liked this video. Please do continue to encourage us by commenting or giving us the questions which you find difficult. Thank you from the team of Teach Nagaland. Stay at home, stay safe. We hope to see all of you very soon.